an object of height 7 centimeter. Object, object height h1, object and image, object h1 and image h2. Okay, an object of height. See here, first we write given object size or height. Object height, what is 7 centimeter, is kept at a distance of, means object that is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror. When object distance that is u, that is u. Therefore, we write here object distance u, what is 25 centimeter, and that is which type of concave mirror? Concave mirror. So we write minus 25 centimeter. The focal length focal length f. What is focal length? That is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. So minus 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so as to get a clear image? Okay, then we want here object size h1, then image size, what is h2, then image distance b is equal to question mark. Now we apply formulae. We want two formulae. First, mirror formula. First we use mirror formula. See this. According to mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Did you get it? Then we put values. Therefore, 1 upon f. What is f? 15. Minus 15, not 15, is equal to 1 upon v, we don't know, plus 1 upon u, minus 25. Okay, therefore take this to the left side or this to the right side, but we take this to the left side. 1 upon v, we take this to the left side, but I am writing to the right side. See this, we take this here, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, and this is already minus. Did you get it? Then we write here, see this, therefore 1 upon v is equal to, here now 15 into 1 minus this minus 25 into 1, 25 upon 25 into 15, 25 5 125, carry 12. 25 ones are 25 and 12. What is 37? No, 25 plus 12, not 375. 37 is equal to minus 10 upon 375. By invertendo means we take v to the numerator and numerator to the denominator, means v upon 1. Same way here, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Did you get it? Therefore v is equal to minus 37.5. Did you get it? This is what is the question. Therefore, see this, therefore the screen should be kept at 37.5 centimeter in front of the which mirror? That is concave mirror. In front of the mirror or concave mirror. Did you get it? Then what is second? Second is, that is magnification. Magnification, that is m is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. See here, we want h2. Okay, therefore h2 upon h1, what is h1? 7 is equal to minus v. What is v? Minus, okay, upon u minus 25. Therefore h2 is equal to, we take 7 here, minus into minus into 7 upon minus 25. Therefore, see here, h2 is equal to minus, see this, 25 ones are 25. Okay, then 12 and 5 means 125. 5. Okay, therefore minus 15 sevens are 105. 15 sevens are 105. Minus sign, 1 decimal place, centimeter. Therefore, what is our answer? Size. What is image size? What is the question? What is the question?
What will be the size of the
Nature. See here, the nature and what is size. See here, image is real and enlarged, that is big in size. See here, where is object size? What is 7 and image size is bigger? No, did you get it? So that is enlarged, bigger one. A convex mirror has a focal length focal length, see here, focal length f is equal to 18 centimeter. Convex mirror, so this is positive. The image of an object, see here, image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. See here, image size, image size, what is H2 is half, image size H2 is half of the object size. Half means upon 2. Did you get it? Then the image of an object kept in front of the mirror, see this, image size H2 is half of the object size which is kept in front of the mirror. Okay, what is the distance? What is the distance of the object? See here, therefore object distance, what is u, object distance from the mirror, we don't know. Okay, now here first, see here, we apply formula, that is magnification. See this, magnification, what is m is equal to H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. This is our formula. Therefore, means m is equal to this or m is equal to this. H2, what is first we write here? H2 upon H1. Therefore, m is equal to, see here, what is H2? H1, value of H2, what is H1 upon 2 into denominator H1. Here we write into 1. H1 cancel, means 1 upon 2. Okay, now therefore m is equal to minus V upon U. Okay, then we put value of m. What is value of m? 1 upon 2 is equal to minus V upon U. Did you get it? Now see this, we take here, therefore 1 upon V, we take V here, we interchange positions and 2 here, minus 2 upon V. This is value of 1 upon V, and this is value of magnification, that is m. Okay, now we use mirror formula. By mirror formula, what is mirror formula? F 1 upon f is equal to plus 1 upon u. Therefore we put values 1 upon f, what is 18, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Therefore 1 upon 18 is equal to denominator same, so write as it is, minus 2 plus 1. Therefore 1 upon 18 is equal to minus 1 upon u. Therefore U is equal to minus 18 centimeter. Did you get it this? Then what is our question? See here. See here. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? Therefore, the distance of the object from the mirror is 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. A 10 centimeter long stick is kept in front of the concave mirror. When we say stick, then that is object. Stick is object. Therefore, we say object size. Object size H1 is equal to what is 10 centimeter. Did you get it? Then concave mirror having focal length f, and this is concave mirror, so that is negative. What is focal length? 10 centimeter. Okay. Then next, 10 centimeter in such a way that the end of the stick means object, closest to the pole is at a distance of, means object distance. Object distance means U. What is minus 20 centimeter. Okay. What will be the length of the image? Length of the image size, that is H2. We want V also, no? Then that is we say image distance V is equal to question mark. Okay. So first we write mirror formula. One upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Now, therefore, 1 upon F, what is F? Minus 10 is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, that is minus 20. Therefore, see this, we take this to the left side. This is already left, is equal to, did you get it?
Yes.
Therefore, see this, cross multiplication, 10 minus 20. See this, 10 into 1. 10 into 1, 10 minus 20 into 1 upon 20 into 10 is equal to 1 upon V. Therefore, minus 10 upon 200 is equal to 1 upon V. Therefore, see this cross multiplication. Therefore, V is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Okay, then we will find magnification. Therefore, M is equal to H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. Now, what is H2? We want to find, no? H2, see here, we want to find upon H1. What is H1? 10 is equal to minus V. What is value of V? Minus 20 upon U. U, where is U? Minus, this is also 20. Therefore, see this H2. We take this 10 to the right side. Minus into minus plus into this 10 upon minus 20. 20 cancelled. Therefore, H2 is equal to minus 10. This is our image size. Okay, then question. What will be the length of the image? Length of the image. Therefore, the length of the image is 10 centimeter, comma. It is, we write here, it is real and inverted. Did you get it? This is your answer.